Introducing the Upgrade 2-pack square, super wide mouth airtight glass storage jars with lids. These jars are not your ordinary storage containers, they are designed with several innovative features to make your kitchen organization a breeze. Firstly, let's talk about the wide mouth of these glass jars. With a mouth size of 4.3 inches, 10.9 centimeters, it allows for easy access and retrieval of food items. You can even fit a measuring cup inside for precise measurements. No more struggling to scoop out the last bit of peanut butter or reaching deep into the jar to clean the bottom. But that's not all, these jars also come with convenient tick marks. With fluid ounce and millimeter measurements on the jar, you no longer need a separate measuring cup. It's a time-saving and convenient feature that simplifies your cooking and baking. The airtight leak-proof lid is another highlight of these storage jars. The hinged lid and silicone gasket create a double seal, keeping your dry food and drinks fresh. Say goodbye to stale snacks and overflowing liquids, these jars have got you covered. Durability is not compromised with these jars. Each airtight jar weighs 3.24 pounds, which is heavier than a regular glass jar. The thickened glass walls ensure stability and durability, making these jars long-lasting and reliable. If you're concerned about space, these jars are ideal for you. With a capacity of 1.1 gallons, 4,200 milliliters, they offer a large storage space while maintaining a small footprint. Perfect for fitting on shelves, in cabinets, pantries, or on the countertop, they maximize your storage potential. We also want to make sure you have everything you need, which is why each package comes with 2 extra silicone gaskets, 2 stickers, and 1 marker pen. You can easily identify and label your jars, creating an organized and efficient kitchen. Now, a few tips to ensure the longevity of these jars. Before adding boiling water, soak the jars with airtight lids in warm water. This will prevent sudden temperature changes that may cause cracking. Additionally, avoid placing a hot jar on a cool or wet surface to avoid any potential damage. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Please check compatibility before purchasing. With customer reviews rating this product at an impressive 4.7 out of 5 stars, it's clear that these glass storage jars are loved by many. Don't miss out on the chance to upgrade your kitchen organization with the Upgrade 2-pack square, super wide mouth airtight glass storage jars with lids. Be sure to click the short link in the description to get your hands on this amazing product now.